on the highway here with the Furies. I know their website claims that this is a quiet mud tire design, and that's how they're designed. First of all, on the highway going 65 right now, there's a dump truck in front of me. But rolling smooth, pretty much glass. Obviously, there's Falcon shocks on this Jeep, so it's giving good rebound to the suspension. Tires rolling smooth, no shakes, vibrations, any of that. Tires roll smooth, so that's great. Sound-wise, I couldn't say they're any louder than a Toyo. They might be almost equivalent sound-wise. So, I mean, not loud, especially no radio on, no nothing, going 75 right now with the speedo calibrated. These are 37s. But, I mean, they're pretty quiet, and they're smooth. So that's the first check for a mud tire. We all know no one's running them actually off-road, so running them on highway speeds and pavement, that's the first test. So far, these are great. We're gonna get off here, see if this dump truck moves. And yeah, okay. So once we get around here, we'll try to pick up some more speed, get a higher speed. I mean, this is a lot of rolling mass, especially for a Jeep. 37s and 22-inch wheels that are 12 wide. Get some speed. Hopefully this light is not red. But yeah, man, these tires rolling smooth. They balanced out pretty well as well. But smooth. That's it. We hit 70 right there. Still smooth. So that's awesome. Sound really didn't increase that much either, so that's awesome. Here's the Fury tires. We got them on RBP. I believe the name is Quantum. 37 1350 R22s, the Fury Country Hunter MTs. As you can see, these are the SEMA tire. This is everyone uses on their SEMA trucks, and this is because they make wicked sizes, anywhere from 33 1450 on 24s, 22s. They make sizes that, you know, fit wheels that are 24, 26, 28, 30. They make all those sizes. Most of the, you know, the Toyos, the Nittos, stuff like that, they don't even touch those sizes. But Fury is coming to the game strong, making sizes that are out of bounds. Everything that everyone wants, but no one's ever made. This is one of my first experiences with Fury here, put him on this Jeep here. Like I said, not sponsored, just everyone uses them, so I was interested. I have a 37 1350 on a 22 by 12 RBP Quantum. This Jeep isn't done yet. We're getting a whole bunch of, you know, Fab 4 stuff all over this, but just finished up the lift. Got the Falcon shocks on here from TerraFlex and a Ready Lift 3.5-inch lift. But like I said, this is the SEMA tire. This is what everyone uses at SEMA, like, because the wicked sizes they make. I'm impressed. Like I said, took it on the highway, hit about 70. I couldn't say they're any louder than like the Toyos on my truck. Jeep rode smooth, no vibrations, shakes, rattles, rolls. Rolled smooth, rolled great. Great match with these 22 RBP wheels. For the price these tires are, and the fact that everyone at SEMA uses them, and from what I hear all over Instagram, that these are pretty much rolling glass. I could confirm that now, and I'm gonna go with it and say great tire. If you're looking to it, like I said, I didn't see many reviews of this tire on the internet, so that's why I want to get at it and give them a shot, get you guys a review out there, because people are looking for tires, you know, all the time. Couldn't say they're any louder than my Toyos, and I also couldn't say they're any less smooth than my Toyos. On Fury's website, like I said, they claim it's a, you know, quiet, smooth rolling tire, and I can give it to them like that at 70 miles an hour, especially in a Jeep that is very not the most soundproof vehicle. They are extremely quiet, and they roll smooth. Got an aggressive tread pattern. Most mud tires you'll see have the, you know, diagonal pattern to cut into the mud, but most people nowadays don't even use them for mud. It's just to fit the massive lifts they put on these trucks and Jeeps. Hands down, I can agree with these people, and at SEMA, that's why everyone uses them. They make wicked sizes. So if you're in the market for tires and this is kind of in your price range, a lot of people have good, you know, experiences with them. All the trucks at SEMA use them. My experience with them is, you know, 2 thumbs up. So that's a good, you know, quick little review for you guys and install video. Yeah, if you're looking at Fury tires, Country Hunter MTs, great tire, quiet and smooth, balanced out really well, especially with these giant 22 cast wheels. You know, one spin of the balancer and they were, you know, balanced. Great tire for the price.